Hey everybody, I got another product review for you. Gonna do an unboxing on this digital camera that I picked up from Amazon. It's pretty much a vlogging camera, 24 megapixels, 3-inch Super AMOLED LED, and a 4x digital zoom. So let's check out how this bad boy is. Alrighty. So you got your strap, charging cable, filter, 52 millimeter, charging cable there with the charger, and then I guess it comes with one lithium-ion battery. So let's open this up and check her out. You get your owner's manual here. That looks nice. Nice and clear. Oh, the nice thing with this one is that even though you have it in front of you, you can actually see the screen right there. Let me put the battery in and take a look at what this looks like. I'm guessing that the battery has a little bit of juice, usually from the factory, enough to turn it on, maybe play around with it for a couple of minutes. Let's power this thing on. There's the power on there. Very nice. Very nice. And works that way as well. Telephoto, wide angle, menu options, display options. Feels kind of like an old school camera, but it's got the modern twist to it with the options, which is really nice. Well, I'll put the product link below, and if you like the video, please comment and subscribe to my channel. Alright, thank you.